Hello, this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. And I have a couple of things I wanted to show you guys today, and I'm very excited about it. I did get some yarn in from Premier Yarn, and I wanted to show that off to you. And I got my first Leither company subscription box. And I saw this on Mad Mimi's, and it's really exciting looking. So I finally got my first box in. It says get hooked on here. Let's see, I have not opened it yet. I only slipped the tape on the box, so it's going to be a surprise for me as well. And when you open the box, this is what's inside. And let's see, kind of take the tape off a minute here, see what we got. Well, let's see if I can do it in the box. We'll just see what's in here together. There's some pretty colors in here. Yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. I love these fall colors. All right, let's see what's in this box completely. All right, so we saw the yarn. I'm excited over this. It says Turtle Bay Sport, 100% merino, 328 yards and 100 grams. But yeah, look at that. Nice. It does feel good. Yeah, I like it. Let's see what else we got. Okay, look at this. This is cute. And it has 2 holes in it for you to stitch it onto one of your projects. Look at that. Nice. Oh, and a stitch marker with a turtle. Look at that. So this technically will be my second nice stitch marker. I like that. Let's see what, it says Turtle Bay Leither Collection. So I got that in there. And there's this box. Sorry for the noise, the crinkling. Okay, let's see what's in here. Ooh, looky there. I wonder, oh, that's really going to be a small hook. Look at that. Oh, that is so cool. I have never had a hook like this. I'm excited. Let's see if it'll tell me what size that is. It's a small hook. That I can tell. And, okay, it says you can download your pattern. So, I guess I'm assuming that it says crochet hook size 2.25. Yeah, because it is small. Yeah. It's sad, though, that it's not bigger because I would like to use this for more. I don't have very many projects with 2.25 hook size required in it. But, oh, it's beautiful. And since it's a monthly subscription, hopefully every month I'll get a different size. But yeah, that's beautiful. Turtle Bay. And it says that, let's see, there is a wrist warmer, a coffee cozy. So those must be the two crochet. Wrist warmer and coffee cozy from this collection. But they don't seem, give me a picture of what it's going to be. But that's okay. I'll go get on their website, log in, and see, you know, what the picture's going to be. For what I got in this box, I am 100% happy with this. My first box, everything's beautiful. I would like to have seen the pattern, what I'm going to be making, but that's okay. Well, wait a minute. If I could just look a little closer. So I'm happy with that. Okay, the other thing I want to show you is this little scarf here, or I don't know, infinity scarf, I guess you could say. I just made it where it's just one length is all. It doesn't twist around. I could have made it longer, but I just wanted something simple. And anyway, I found this yarn from Premier Rodeo. It's right here. And it is medium 4 weight, and it's, let's see, 85% cotton and 15% polyester. Well, I found this yarn from Premier, and I ordered it, and I believe that, I'm pretty sure I got, when I ordered this yarn, it was on sale, and then you had a sale on top of a sale. So yeah, I ended up paying like $1.75 per skein is all. And here's the purple. So what I'm making with it is, this right here is made with it, and this one right here is made with it. In the dark gray, I believe, was the color of this one. And the color of this is natural, is the color of this one that I have on. So I like this so much. I love the way it feels, and just one of my favorite yarns now. So I just want it in every color. The only thing is, with the Rodeo, it only comes in so many colors. You don't get that many choices. Like, you don't get the black and stuff like that. And anyways, it's very limited. I have ordered some in the past to where, you know, you can get it like these colors. And I do plan on using these. I was just wanting some more solids. What I did make in it that I'm really excited about, and I plan on making one in these colors that I'm fixing to show you. And this is my cardigan I made with it from Surella.com. It's called the Everyday Cardigan. And it did not take, and I put a little tag on the bottom there. But yeah, that's the Everyday Cardigan. And it's nice, and it's not too thin, and it's not too thick. I mean, it's just right. So, and then there's the sleeves. And you can make the sleeves as long as you want. You can make the length as long as you want. You can make the back as long as you want. She does have the pattern letting you know according to what your chest measurement is. And you can go by that. So far, I have not had to change anything except my sleeve length. I have changed on it, but everything else was pretty much the same as she said. So, like I said, I liked it so much that I ordered 5 more of these, and hopefully I can make me a purple one. And I like this pattern so much of hers that I plan on making some that are like maybe the 1/4 length sleeves and wear them this summer. And not have that ribbed cup on them, maybe just a simple bottom on them. But anyway, this color is called the Dark Purple, Premier Rodeo. And I ordered, let's see, I ordered 5 of these, and that'll make a nice little cardigan. And I ordered, let's see what color this is. It's called Dark Blue. And this is pretty. It has they have like a tad bit of a little flake like to it, but it's not really that. I guess it is kind of noticeable, and it's pretty though. I like it like that. So it kind of keeps it from being too dull by having that. now that I'm looking over at my cardigan. But yeah, this is the dark blue, and I ordered 5 of these because I may or may not make these, but I would like to have some pockets on them. So I would like to do some pockets. And I had previously ordered this. This is mine that I had in stock, but I didn't have 5 of them, and I wanted some to go so I can make me a cream color one, but I didn't have enough. So I ordered 3 more of those because I thought that they might look good, like if I did a cardigan in this color right here, and then maybe did the trim in this. I thought that would look good. And then I also have it, here it is, in the red and white. There you go. You see it more that way. And then trim it in this. And I thought that would be good. So anyway, that's all that I have today. I'm really excited about this and this. It was my first subscription box with them, and I'm very happy. And I am looking forward to going online and downloading those 2 patterns. Yes. So anyway, if you're interested, I'll leave a link down at the bottom in the description box. And if you like these and you like this cardigan, I'll leave the link to Surella's webpage where I got that pattern. I'm on my, I think maybe my 4th or 5th cardigan. I like them that much. So yeah, I'm moving right along with that cardigan. And no, I'm not getting bored making that same style because I'm using different yarns all the time. And so I'm not getting bored with it because I never really know how it's going to turn out as far as the look because of the different yarns, because I'm making them in some of these candy shops, and I'm making them in some line brands, and making some in this. So I got, between all that, it's like I'm not making the same cardigan, you know. It's different. But anyway, that's all I have for today. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you, subscribers. Yay! I love you so much. You are really helping me grow my channel. And please leave a comment at the bottom and let me know what you think of the Leither company, your thoughts on what I received in this monthly subscription. Or you can leave a comment about the yarn here. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you later. Bye.